Have you ever found yourself in a situation where traditional schooling simply doesn't fit your family's lifestyle, whether it's because of frequent relocations, demanding schedules, or the desire for more flexibility? More and more families are choosing online education as a long-term solution. At Education Worldwide, we work with students from all over the world. Some of them move often due to their parents' work. Others are professional athletes with training and competitions that often overlap with school hours, making it difficult to follow a fixed daily schedule. We also support families who want to travel the world together without pausing their child's education. But most of all, our students choose us because they want to follow an internationally recognized American curriculum, one that prepares them for universities across the globe. But one concern we often hear from parents is, what about socialization? To support this, we've created a wide range of school clubs: book club, movie and drama club, photography, creative writing, gaming club, and more, so the students can connect, collaborate, and share ideas. And yes, we also organize school trips, giving students the chance to meet face-to-face and build lasting friendships. For those seeking even more interaction, we offer our Prime program, a full-time, live online school where the same group of students meets daily for 5 hours. They learn together, work on projects, and engage in meaningful discussions, just like in a traditional classroom. Online education today goes far beyond logging into lessons. It is about providing flexibility without compromising quality, structure, international recognition, and a real school community, just without borders. If this sounds like something your family could benefit from, we're here to help you get started. Thank you for watching.